Time tracking. 5 p.m. offers a set of features to log, track, and report time easily. Time logging is done via progress notes. A progress note is a special type of comment added at the task level, which contains extra information about the progress made and the time spent on a task. With the task selected in the left panel, simply open the new message form in the right panel and click the Progress Time link. There is also a shortcut for adding a progress note, the icon at the end of the unfolded message form. Progress notes usage is optional. You can simply close tasks without reporting any progress or time spent. Progress notes contain extra fields to capture the time spent on a task and the percentage of completion. The percentage progress is used purely for communication purposes to let your teammates know where you are with the task. Either field is optional. You can also post the progress note to a specific date instead of the current one, allowing you to report hours spent on different days. You can also add a comment to your progress note, attach files, and send email notifications. You can post as many progress notes to a task as you want. The last progress note percentage simply overwrites the overall task completion percentage. Adding a 100% progress note closes a task. The hours logged via progress notes to the same task are added up. You can also define the estimated time for each task. This is the predicted number of hours it will take to complete the task. You can display both the estimated time and the total logged time for each task in the left panel by adding the hours column to it. If the total logged hours surpass the estimated ones, the progress bar will turn red. You can also aggregate the time spent on tasks in the time report. It offers a range of filters, like covering a specific period of time, selected users, tags, and so on. Check the separate video on reports in 5 p.m. For more advanced time tracking, check the Time Tracker desktop widget. It has a built-in timer and you can use it to record and submit time to 5 p.m. Check the link under this video for more details. 5 p.m. makes time tracking and reporting straightforward and easy. Give it a try and get more done by 5 p.m.